Very sad news, guys. I am in shock to hear about the suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput, and we are very shocked. And we hope his soul will be rest in peace. And here are the information about the suicide of Sushant Singh Rajput. Um Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide at his home in Mumbai. The actor was 34. He debuted in Bollywood with Kaipoche and was last seen in Chichore. Sushant Singh Rajput was found hanging at his Bandra home earlier this morning. Some of his friends were also at home when his body was discovered. The door to his room was broken and he was found hanging. Initial reports from the police say that he was suffering from depression for the past 6 months. His friends also told Aztak that the reason behind this extreme step is depression. A suicide note has not been recovered yet. Sushant Singh Rajput had hosted a close group of friends at his home on Saturday night. According to sources, this, however, has not been confirmed by any of his friends. He had gone to bed really late, and house help was not surprised that he was not up and was about in the morning. But when he tried to knock on the Sushant's bedroom door around noon, he received no response. That's when the help called Sushant's friends, who forced open the door to discover him hanging. A pall of gloom descended upon Bollywood on Sunday afternoon as soon as the news of Sushant Singh Rajput's death broke. Kumar tweeted, "Honestly, this news has left me shocked and speechless. I remember watching Sushant Singh Rajput in Chichore and telling my friend Sajid, its producer, how much I would enjoyed the film and wish I would have been part of it. Sushant is such a talented actor. May God give him strength to his family." Ajay Devgan wrote, "The news of Sushant Singh Rajput's death is truly sad. What a tragic loss. Folded hands, deepest condolences to his family and loved ones. May his soul find eternal peace." Sushant made a name for himself on the small screen, especially with the Pavitra Rishta, where he played the lead role before jumping into the big screen. Sushant broke onto big screen with the Abhishek Kapoor's Kaipoche based on the Chetan Bhagat's best-selling book, The Three Mistakes of My Life. Kaipoche catapulted Sushant Singh Rajput, a small-town boy, into almost overnight fame. After 2013's Kaipoche, Sushant worked in Suddeshi Romance with Parineeti Chopra and then went to do several films. His last scene in Chichore opposite Shraddha Kapoor, it was film directed by Nitesh Tiwari, which dealt with college life and the frustration of the later years. The actor's former manager Disha Salian was found dead few days ago. Sushant Singh Rajput was born in Patna. His mother, Neeraj Kumar Bablu, is an MLA. His sister-in-law is an MLC in Bihar Legislative Council. He is survived by his elder brother, two sisters, and father, Dr. K.K. Singh. Sushant lost his mother in 2002 when he was only 16 years old. In several interviews over the years, Sushant had always spoken of the loss of his mother as a huge blow to him. In fact, his last social media post from June 3rd was also tribute to his late mother. Sushant wrote, "Blurred past evaporating from teardrops, unending dreams carving an arc of smile and fleeting life, negotiating between the two." Uh, that's it, guys. And we are very saddened by this news, and we hope his soul will be rest in peace. Thank you. Thank you very much. Very sad news.